Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to receive crypto on the Trust wallet. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up the Trust wallet, and to receive crypto you first just select which wallet you want to receive it to. So we'll do it to the main wallet, okay? Then just tap here on receive, and you can go ahead and pick any network right here, choose different networks, choose different cryptocurrencies. And once you have it selected, for example, let's say Bitcoin, what you need to actually do is go ahead and use this address. So just copy this address. If you want to set an amount, you can do that as well. But you just take this address and you go to your other wallet where you want to transfer from, and you use this address to receive money to your Trust wallet. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.